In a tragic incident that took place in the U.S. capital, Washington, an American passenger plane belonging to American Airlines crashed near Ronald Reagan National Airport, resulting in the deaths of everyone on board. The plane was on a domestic flight, carrying 64 passengers along with the crew. The accident occurred after the plane collided with the U.S. military Black Hawk helicopter, causing the plane to crash completely. Initial reports suggest that the collision between the plane and the helicopter was extremely violent, making survival nearly impossible. U.S. authorities have initiated an investigation into the accident, beginning with analyzing all available data, including the final communications between the plane and the helicopter before the crash. Among the passengers on board the plane were several figure skaters who were on their way to attend a major sporting event. Among these passengers were renowned figure skating coaches and former world champions, Evgenia Shishkova and Vadim Nomov, along with their son Maxim, who represented the United States in figure skating competitions. These individuals were not only known for their achievements in the world of figure skating, but they also represented the future of the sport in the U.S. Due to this tragic accident, many fans of the sport and the general public in the U.S. and around the world have been left deeply saddened. The investigation being carried out by U.S. authorities is focusing on determining the cause of this unusual collision, with some reports suggesting that the incident may have been caused by a coordination failure between the plane and the helicopter. However, all scenarios are still under review. At this time, no survivors have been reported, adding to the grief over the loss of numerous lives, including some prominent names in the sport. The incident raises questions about how this collision between a civilian aircraft and a military helicopter occurred in such a populated area. Rescue and search teams continue to work at the crash site, while U.S. authorities are gathering evidence and listening to eyewitnesses to analyze every detail. Meanwhile, expressions of sorrow continue to pour in from all over the world, especially from sports enthusiasts and those who followed the achievements of the passengers on the plane. This tragic incident serves as a reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of precise safety procedures in all forms of transportation, whether planes, helicopters, or other aerial vehicles. We are awaiting further investigations that will reveal the true causes behind this heartbreaking accident.